Okay, we're at the puddle zone. Here comes the pack. Get some good puddle action. Might get this camera wet. Sunday, February 8th, 2015. There we go. That's the first wave of the puddle, people. We're about 10 minutes outside Campbell River in Vancouver Island, riding our Sunday trails. That's what we do. Half the pack's gone by. Here comes the last half of the pack. Dustin Whiteside, totally soaking wet. Well, look at this guy, speed champion, Boozy. The mud man. Here comes Pope Todd of Dirt Church. Pope Todd the First of Dirt Church. Showing some style today on the XR 400. There we go. And here comes the fabulous legend. Legend got to do a stunt. He knows he's on TV. Here comes the wheelie. Whoa! Here comes Eddie. He's riding out of Nova Scotia. IT 250, 81 model. Yeah, we got a couple of stragglers bagging the pack. Might have some real speed racers. Got some top champion hair scramble guys riding today. Here they come. Let me get a good picture of these guys. Some of the top hair scramble guys on Vancouver Island are riding today. Fraser Stewart, Bob Stewart. Fraser can throw a fastball at your head about 90 miles an hour. Don't mess with that boy, especially not on a dirt bike. 16 years old, fearless, yeah, great. Tim Australian on the KX 500. There we go. It's total soaker. Everybody's soaked to the skin, and they did it for TV. Nick Samsung, formerly out of Courtney. Here comes the rest of the gang. Fraser Stewart going for the inside line. Oh, good work, girl. There we go. We're through the puddle zone. That's it. That's all for now. Bye.